Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel.
Yeah, so the ketogenic diet has been around a very, very long time. The original ketogenic diet was the Atkins diet. Atkins didn't know that actually most people can't get into ketosis. And I devote an entire chapter, chapter 10 of the Plant Paradox, on the ketogenic diet done correctly. What most people don't know in a ketogenic diet is that a paleo diet is not a ketogenic diet. Most people following a paleo diet that I follow never get into ketosis. And that's because protein, animal protein, is converted into sugar. It's called gluconeogenesis. And that's why actually Dr. Atkins died a fat man. How do I know that? I take care of his head nurse. So what paleo people do is eat far too much animal protein. In fact, what you have to do is eat fat. And 80% of my ketogenic diet comes from fat, 80% of the calories, mostly from olive oil, coconut oil, MCT oil, macadamia nut oil, and avocado oil or avocados. That's the key to a ketogenic diet. Only 10% of your calories should come from protein. That's not very much, about 20 grams a day. And only 10% of your calories should be from carbohydrates. And quite frankly, those should be the leaves and the tubers that you pour the oil over to get it into your mouth. Don't make the mistake that a ketogenic heavy protein diet is ketogenic. I see this mistake every day in my office.
Use the link on the description below to change your life. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and be the first to get my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.